Hey everybody, this is Kim at Her Family Farm in Cumbie, Texas, and I'm here with Zena's 2024 Anatolian Shepherd Livestock Guardian Dog puppies. And I'm here with female number 6. And this beautiful girl, she's got shorter hair, she's all slicked up. She's got the little freckles on her nose with a black mask. Look at that face. And she comes as a dirty dog. Dirt included. And I don't charge extra for that. She has a white chest. And she has white front legs. But you can see how blue she is underneath. So as she gets older and she loses this puppy fur, you can see her ears used to be black as well. So I don't know, when her puppy hair falls out and she gets her adult hair, she might turn darker. You can tell right there, see? She might turn darker. She might turn lighter. I'm not sure. But here she has a fawn tail with a white tip. And she's just a darling little girl. She's a little petite thing. She's probably one of the smaller pups, but don't let that scare you because they always catch up. They do. These puppies will probably be between 95 and 115 pounds, depending on how much exercise and how much food they get. They're usually heavier in the winter. They usually don't eat as much in the summer, so they trim down or trim up, I guess. I don't know what you want to say, but during the winter they definitely feed them more, and to get the fat reserve, they really enjoy eating when it's cooler. They don't like to eat that much when it's hot. So this is beautiful female number 6. Look at her face. She's a gorgeous girl. She is a gorgeous girl.